Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sam with Troops Mowing. Wanted to take a quick second and film a video on how to properly mow a lawn. We mow about 60 to 70 lawns a day at our company, and we've figured out all the processes and the most efficient way to mow a lawn. So as you can see here, I am string trimming the property. I flip edge all of the edges, and I like to walk backwards and stand in the grass. I find that this is a cleaner edge and rather than stepping on the sidewalk and walking forward or backwards. Also, what you'll notice is we come back through and we edge right here, all of the actual edges after we've done all the flip edging. And the reason for that is it kicks all of the grass back into the lawn. So that way when you do the lawn mowing, it mulches all of the grass clippings up. I personally like to walk counterclockwise and backwards for the same reason. It kicks all of the grass clippings back into the lawn so that the lawnmowers can mulch it up. This is very important to do the trimming and edging prior to doing the lawn mowing. If you do the lawn mowing first, you are going to have a bunch of grass clippings laying left over. This is our lawn mowing setup. Super seamless, super streamlined, gets our lawnmowers on off and on pretty quick. Now, what I like to do here is I like to switch up the mowing pattern every so often so that we do not leave mowing lines. When I came to this property, it looked like one of the previous crews did diagonal lines, so I wanted to just do straight north and south, as we call it. The best way to do it is to have the lines mirror wherever the line of sight would be from the street. So going north and south, or going from sidewalk to the actual house is the best way to do it. If you start getting mowing lines, then you want to go east and west. What we've done here is we use a Skag V-Ride 2 for all of our lawns. This allows us to mow a lawn relatively quickly. For example, this lawn took us around 27 minutes, and it was just for a solo crew. And it was 6,000 square feet. So I think that's 220-ish square feet a minute, and that's pretty good for a solo operator. We also like to do 2 passes around the perimeter of the lawns if we can. That provides a wider turn radius so that we don't have any missing clumps of grass that the mower didn't reach if we have too tight of an area to turn our mower. It's also super important to do what I call a 3-point turn on these mowers, because if you simply just pivot the wheels on the grass, especially after it's rained like it has in this video, it's going to leave ruts and it's going to create for angry customers. When you're blowing the grass, super important to get inside of the cracks so that it can leave a nice crisp edge. And this is the finished product. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you.